TBD. What?
Do you need to use this?
No, it's fine. I cannot touch it. It's okay. But I do have some great news for you. Number one, we have power. Ding! And we finally got the lights replaced in the kitchen. So it was a pain in the butt. Pain in the freaking butt because that switch and that switch, those are three-way switches and they had them wired wrong. So to figure out how to do it properly, and then that was all wired all jacked up, and then I wired it a different way, and then like one switch would turn that one on and then it would turn that one off. But then you flip it the other way, it would turn that one off and now dim. It was really weird. So, but I figured it out, got everything wired up, they both work. And how much nicer does that look in there? Super nice. Still haven't finished that. Getting there, coming along. But it is so nice to have power. What a luxury it is to be able to just, it's so satisfying. All right, so we are in my new office. What will be my new office. It's gonna be sweet. Check it out. We're going to accent all that because it's all screwed up. Lots of cracks and stuff and things that are wrong with it, especially this crack that I don't want to fix. Did you see that? No, you didn't see it. Oh my goodness. I mean, like, you see, this is so hard to do this backwards. Like, I'm not good at mirrors. There, this crack, that crack, that crack, that crack. That crack and that crack. Ugh. I don't want to deal with it because they're just going to open up in the summer. So we're going to Pinterest this wall and make it look like that. Kind of laid it out. Come over here. There's not a lot of space. But it'll look like that when I'm done. It's going to be sweet. I really like the way this looks as is. There's lots of variation. I might put some stain on it to make it a little bit darker. But when we get some proper lighting in here, look at one light bulb. It's so sad. One light bulb. When I get some proper lighting, then we'll see how dark it is. And then my desk will go right there. And then I'll have another desk right there. And I'll file a cabinet over there and some stuff over there. It's gonna be a nice space to do some artwork in. Let's do it. Oh my goodness, it's been a long day. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm tired. But we finished the wall. Check that out. It's two different colors, as you can see, because, you know, that is different wood than that. This is all fencing. This is also fencing, but it's from a different place. So it's different colors. Because my dad had some extra, but then we got burned because it was all rotten. So yeah, we're all done. And then my desk is gonna go there and hide all that, so it's not that big a deal. All right. And we're looking. This is truly frustrating. Plumbing sucks. You see this monster thing? That used to be under my sink. And it was taking the water from the kitchen sink and pumping it out of that hole, out the house, up the wall, out the attic, and over that way to the bathroom over there. And then going into that draining out because that pipe under there was clogged. But I fixed it. I unclogged it. Now it works fine. So now I'm replumbing the sink, and plumbing sucks. You gotta take like 5 trips to the store because you don't buy the right parts. And we're getting everything glued up, and the glue smells really bad, but we're getting there. We're getting it fixed. So, yeah.
Okay, first, wear your safety protection. That's important. Okay, so we got our doors. Got some screws. Screw. Put it up on the thing. Just like that. Take your custom-made thingamabobs. Pick it up like so. And then you have to very carefully, without touching anything else, hang it up on the web of strings. Just like that. Do that 50 more times and you're all done.
Got a fresh coat of paint in the office. Looking good. It's so nice to work during the day. Got lots of light and everything is coming together. We are ready to put the floor in. We're gonna do that next. And maybe not right next, but that's what's next for this room, right? And yeah, I'm tired now. Too much work. The floor is in! The floor is in! Look at the floor! Finally. Except for right there. We haven't done the closet yet, but I'm tired. Do it later. I have some egg. Alright.
Like a bird on a
Thanks
tree.
for watching!
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can